We are giving away the brand new Xiaomi 11 Lite NE 5G to one of our lucky subscribers. So if you wish to win this, then definitely watch this video until the end. This is the Xiaomi Mi 11 Lite and this right here is the Xiaomi 11 Lite NE 5G. And at first glance, you might think that apart from the name change, there's not much of a difference between both these phones, right? Well, wrong. You see, the new NE 5G, yes, let's call this phone the NE 5G. It's way easier that way. So the new NE 5G has 5G, of course, and it supports 12 bands. The chipset gets a huge upgrade. It is now a Snapdragon 778 SoC, which in turn should help in better ISP, which means better camera performance. Then we can also expect better battery life, better gaming performance, and so on. And of course, there's MIUI 12.5 on the smartphone, which feels a lot polished. Hello everyone, Aman here for Mr. Phone, and in this video, let's take our closer look at the Xiaomi 11 Lite NE 5G. But first, here's the unboxing. By the way, if you love watching our content, then do consider hitting that red subscribe button and also turn on the bell so that you don't miss any of our latest videos. Let's start by talking about the design. So, as they say, don't fix that ain't broke, and this is the mantra Xiaomi has followed with the new NE 5G. You see, design and build wise, the NE 5G does look exactly the same as the Mi 11 Lite, apart from the 5G branding on the new model next to the Xiaomi logo. But if you look at the bigger picture, I think the beauty of this phone is still how gorgeous it looks and how good it feels in the hand. The frosted back finish is superb. The halo ring design around the camera lens looks elegant. And now not only is the NE 5G the thinnest and lightest phone around, but also the thinnest and lightest 5G smartphone that money can buy. Okay, so this is the vinyl black color of the Xiaomi 11 Lite NE 5G. This phone also comes in a jazz blue and a Tuscany coral. And there's also a new finish called the Diamond Dazzle, which I'm sure would look beautiful in person. And I am a bit sad that Xiaomi did not send me the new finish for the review, but never mind. Even the black is awesome. Moving on, at the front, there's a 90Hz 6.55-inch AMOLED display, and this is a 10-bit display, by the way, which means it has the ability to display better colors than a regular 8-bit panel. And while we are on the topic, this panel also supports HDR10, and I am happy to report that you can watch Netflix content on this phone in Dolby Vision, something that we don't see on a lot of other phones in the mid-range price segment, even when the displays come with HDR10 certification. By the way, you're also getting stereo speakers here, which only adds to the immersive experience. Now, since this is a 10-bit display, it also requires more processing power in comparison to an 8-bit display. And so the new NE 5G is powered by the Snapdragon 778G chipset, which is a solid bump over the Snapdragon 732G found inside the Mi 11 Lite. Here are some benchmarks. So if you look at the Antutu scores here, the NE 5G posted around 50% better numbers than the Mi 11 Lite when it comes to the CPU and GPU performance, and a boost of around 40% in overall numbers. Similarly, in Geekbench, once again a solid showing from the NE 5G. Just look at the scores here, guys, about 80 to 85% better in both single core and multi-core versus the Mi 11 Lite. Finally, in Androbench as well, significantly better read and write speeds on the NE 5G, despite both the phones having the same UFS 2.2 storage standard. Now on paper, I would have loved to see UFS 3.1 storage on the smartphone, but when it comes to the real world usage, I haven't actually faced any performance issues with the UFS 2.2 storage on the smartphone. And by the way, Xiaomi is offering the new NE 5G in two variants in India. That is 6GB RAM plus 128GB storage or 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage. For the software bit, there's MIUI 12.5, a top Android 11, which again looks quite similar to the older versions of MIUI 12, but trust me guys, the difference in performance here is night and day. So software on this phone has been very smooth, and yeah, this is partly true because of the Snapdragon 778 chipset and the 90 Hz refresh rate, but then again, software optimization is definitely here. In terms of battery, there's a 4250 mAh cell, and you also get a 33-watt charger bundle in the box. And while this is not a full review, I can at least tell you that the battery life has surprisingly been good up until now, despite the battery capacity on offer. Moving on, in terms of optics, you get 3 lenses at the back, a 64 megapixel main camera, an 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, and a 5 megapixel macro camera. Although the selfie camera has received an upgrade and is now a 20 megapixel sensor on the NE 5G versus the 16 megapixel found on the Mi 11 Lite. Of course, I'll be putting the Xiaomi 11 Lite NE 5G through its paces and doing its in-depth testing, so a lot more is coming up in my full review. And if you don't want to miss that, then definitely stay tuned to Mr. Phone. Now, to win the brand new Xiaomi 11 Lite NE 5G, all you need to do is to like this video, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and also follow us on Twitter and Instagram. The handles are on your screens right now. And also make sure that you do mention your Instagram and Twitter username in the comments below so that we can contact you. I wish you all very good luck. See you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.